2 acres with great garden spot, fruit trees, and enough wood to satisfy the pioneer Indian. 1,120 square feet of living space with a 516 square feet of porch and 328 square feet of deck. Great country backyard. These settlers were once members of the Kentucky Goldrush band and played at Bill Monroe's funeral. The concrete slab with the picnic table was an excellent place for jamming and impromptu concerts. Here they are shown on the cover of one of their recordings. The settler Mackie Turner is the lead vocalist and his wife Betty is the tenured vocal. This was somewhere around 1992. Here are the entertainers in a more recent pic. Large back deck, but it needs some repairs. Settlers both have health problems and didn't get to this. Pick your own apples for the healthy apple pie you can't buy anywhere. Neat storage building for your outside tools. This is bedroom 1, showing musical instruments that settlers are having to leave sitting due to the fact that they both have health problems. True masonry, fireplace in the living room. Hallway has attic entrance. Nice sized room and which overlooks the backyard. Large living room. Appliances stay. Convenient kitchen. Separate laundry room. Plenty of Kentucky sunshine for your large living room. Large third bedroom. This bedroom is large enough for 2 beds. Formal dining room can easily be a bonus room for whatever you want, an office, a library, or your choice. Their musical background shows up everywhere. Breathitt County had 2 teams who captured the hearts of many by getting to the state finals. The 1960-61 team roster included this settler, Mackie Turner. He is 6 from the left, lots of people will remember him. Head back to the country and live your best life here.